Counsel for Department. In juvenile dependency cases in California, counsel for the department refers to attorneys who represent the county or state social services agency responsible for child welfare services. Here are key points about counsel for the department. 1. Role and responsibilities. Counsel for the department represents the interests of the social services agency involved in the dependency case. This may include county child welfare agencies or the California Department of Social Services, depending on the jurisdiction. The primary responsibility of counsel for the department is to advocate for the safety, well-being, and best interests of the child involved in the case. 2. Legal representation. Counsel for the department provides legal representation to the agency throughout the dependency proceedings. They work closely with social workers, supervisors, and other agency staff to gather evidence, prepare legal arguments, and present the agency's position to the court. 3. Advocacy for child protection. The overarching goal of counsel for the department is to ensure the protection and welfare of the child who is the subject of the dependency case. This may involve advocating for the child's removal from an unsafe environment, seeking appropriate services and supports for the child and family, and advocating for permanency options that meet the child's needs. 4. Compliance with legal requirements. Counsel for the department ensures that the agency complies with all legal requirements and procedures governing juvenile dependency cases. This includes adherence to statutory timelines, procedural rules, and court orders. They also provide legal guidance to agency staff regarding case planning, documentation, and interactions with other parties involved in the case. 5. Representation at hearings and proceedings. Counsel for the department represents the agency at all court hearings and legal proceedings related to the dependency case. They present evidence, make legal arguments, and respond to motions or petitions filed by other parties, such as parents' attorneys or the child's attorney. Overall, counsel for the department plays a crucial role in advocating for the protection and welfare of children involved in juvenile dependency cases and ensuring that the agency fulfills its legal obligations in accordance with child welfare laws and regulations.